All right, take a look at this light. This is a solar powered battery light. As you can see here, my dog is currently in the dark, and boom, this light perfectly illuminates him. And you can just press this button right here to turn it off or to turn it back on, get the light on. In different settings, you do have your warmer light, your cooler light, and the neutral colored light for you to choose from here. Now I'll show you how to install this here in a second, but during the day, the battery does get recharged from the solar panel, and all it has to do is stay out in the sun. On a regular summer day, this can charge the battery back up so that you can have over 30 hours of illumination with this one charge. During the winter times, you can still have a full around 8 hours or so of battery life. But again, it's super easy to install. It comes with the screws and anchors and this clip on. So you put this up into the wall first, wherever you want to position it, whether it's a fence or a wall. And then you can clip on the solar light to that clip right afterwards. Now this is perfect lighting if you want to put it up against a wall somewhere where it's very dim or dark out at night and you want to illuminate that area. This is perfect for that area. So you can put it up on a fence, on a wall, on a brick wall, it doesn't matter. This will hold up just fine.